In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a bookmark in Foxit Reader. Whether you're organizing a lengthy document or marking a pivotal part of a PDF, mastering the bookmarking process in Foxit Reader can significantly enhance your reading experience. Plus, it will make your navigation through the document much simpler. Let's begin by opening your PDF in Foxit PDF Reader. Once you have your document open, carefully navigate to the page you wish to bookmark. Not just any page, but the one you want to easily reference later. As you're navigating, make sure you also adjust the view or zoom level to your preference, because when you create a bookmark, Foxit Reader will remember this specific view setting for you. This is particularly handy if you often need a closer look at specific details on a page. Next up is accessing the all-important Bookmarks panel, where you will create your bookmark. To bring up this panel, you have a couple of straightforward options. You can head up to the top of the application to the View tab. Once you're there, direct your attention to Navigation panels and then select Bookmarks. For those of you utilizing the ribbon interface, this can be done by following View, then View Setting, and finally Navigation panels, and selecting Bookmarks. With the Bookmarks panel open, it's time to create your bookmark. You have two user-friendly options to do so. Within the panel, look for the Add Bookmark or New Bookmark icon and give it a click. Alternatively, if you're a fan of using the mouse, simply right-click within the Bookmarks panel and a small menu will appear. From there, select Add Bookmark. Both methods work seamlessly, so feel free to choose the one you're most comfortable with. As soon as you initiate the creation of a new bookmark, you'll see it appear, typically linked to the page and view you were on when you created it. This is where you'll have the opportunity to customize the name of your bookmark. Think of a concise but descriptive name for it, one that will help you quickly identify its purpose later. Once you've typed in the name, simply press Enter. And just like that, you have successfully added a bookmark in Foxit Reader. To recap, with your document open to the desired page and view, bring up the Bookmarks panel through the navigation options. Add your bookmark by clicking the icon or via the right-click menu, and give it a meaningful name. This straightforward process will undoubtedly streamline your management of PDF documents, making it easy to return to specific sections whenever you need. With these steps, you should find organizing and navigating your PDFs in Foxit Reader to be a breeze. Thanks for joining me today, and I hope you find this tutorial helpful in enhancing your PDF reading experience. Until next time, happy reading!